How to become confident even if you feel like a nobody right now. This video is going to be 10 to 15 minutes long. So if you cannot spend this much time without distracting yourself, then you're going to be a loser for the rest of your life. And if you don't believe that, then keep living in delusion. I will not give you any fancy editing or subtitles. Everything is written down on the screen. Read it, listen to me, and start applying. I will not waste any single second of your furthermore. So don't waste mine. Let's cut the crap. Confidence isn't some magical trait that you're born with. It's not something you fake till you make. And it sure as hell isn't about standing in front of a mirror repeating, I am powerful, I am powerful. No, you're a clown, man. Confidence is about one thing and one thing only, control. The more you control yourself, your actions and your environment, the more unstoppable you become. And today, I'm going to show you how to manufacture confidence on command like this, no matter who you are or where you're starting. But first, let me tell you something brutal. If you don't have confidence, nobody will give a damn about you. Harsh? Yes. True? Absolutely. People listen to, respect and follow the most confident person in the room. Not the smartest, not the nicest, and not the most hardworking. If you lack confidence, you're invisible, and the world treat invisible people like garbage. There is no any other way. Did you know that people judge your confidence in less than a second? Yes. Before you even open your mouth, they even know a single thing about you, they have already decided if you're worth listening to. And if you fail that instant test, good luck trying to convince them otherwise. Here's why. This is a life or skill death. People with high confidence earn 28% more on average. Not because they work harder, but because they command more. Confident people are 2 times more likely to be promoted. And get this, in job interviews, candidates who act confident get hired over more qualified ones 80% of the time. So if you're sitting there waiting for confidence to come naturally, oh God, please give something to me. You're already losing. Think about all the moments you should have stepped up but didn't. The time you wanted to speak up in a meeting but stayed silent. The time you saw some attractive girl and let them walk away. It can be either guy or male, okay? The time you let someone less competent take an opportunity that should have been yours. Now ask yourself, how many more times are you going to let this happen? How many more times will you watch life pass you by because you didn't have the guts to grab it? Confidence isn't optional, it's survival. If you want unshakable confidence, you don't hope for it. You engineer it piece by piece. And today I'm going to show you 3 brutal but powerful methods to do exactly that. Number 1, instant status hack. How to make people respect you before you even say a word. Number 2, Micro-Domination Rule. The sneaky way to build bulletproof confidence from scratch. And last, the no way out confidence formula. A technique so powerful, it will force you to become confident whether you like it or not. Ready? Now before we dive into these 3 secrets, you might be thinking, who the hell is this guy and why should I listen? Fair question. People call me the man who can make anyone confident, not because I have some fancy degrees, not because I've spent years in some classroom, but because I've taken real people just like you who were terrified of speaking, who thought they were naturally shy, who believed confidence was something you're born with, and I turn them into the most confident and captivating person in any room they walk into. A trained speaker who went from being ignored to owning the room in minutes. I've helped entrepreneurs turn their pitches into money printing machine and leaders transform their words into weapon of influence. This isn't fluff. This isn't just confidence BS. This is psychological warfare applied to confidence and charisma. People pay me a lot of money every single month to just implement this for them, but I'm giving it away for free to you. Why? Because if you can learn it and implement it on your own, very well. If you want me to help you implement it, then we can start talking, but this is free for now. And today I'm handing you exact tools to make sure no one ever zones out when you talk again. Let's go. The secret number 1, the instant status hack. Confidence starts before you even open your mouth. Ever notice how some people just walk into a room and everyone pay attention while other go completely unnoticed? That's because of one thing: status perception. Here's how to instantly project high status. Number one, take up space. Okay, stop making yourself small. Like, open your arms, live in that room. If you're sitting on a chair, just take a wider stance, sit like you own the place, and use bigger gestures. Number two, slow your movement. Confidence people don't fidget or rush. Move deliberately, and you'll instantly look more in control. Instead of just reaching out to that glass like this, take your time. Pick up the glass, look at the glass, turn it around, take a smell, and then drink it. Okay, be confident, man. Number three, master the pause. Weak people rush to fill silence because they're afraid of it. Power moves. Speaking slowly and letting silence do the work. This is how magic is going to be created. When people sense that in that silence, you're very comfortable, that will give the status perception to them. Okay, this is someone who knows a lot. And when you control the room assumes that you're confident, even if you're not. Secret 2, the micro-domination rule. Most people think that confidence is built in big moments. Wrong. It's built in smallest daily actions. Do you hold eye contact or do you look away first? Do you walk with a purpose or shuffle around? Do you make decision fast or hesitate? Every tiny moment where you take control instead of shrinking builds your confidence brick by brick. So start doing that. Start winning these small moments in your life. This is how you dominate without faking it. And if you can't trust yourself to handle small things, how the hell will you trust yourself when it actually matters? Tell me. Secret number 3, the no way out confidence formula. Here's the fastest way to force confidence. Commit to something you can't back out of. Sign up to lead a presentation. Agree to speak to an event. Publicly announce a goal so you have to follow this through. Or pay a coach a lot of money so you are now bound to take actions to improve your life. When there is no hope, your survival instinct kicks in. Your brain stops overthinking and confidence becomes a necessity, not a choice. This is how every dominant person on the planet built their confidence, by putting themselves in situations where they had no option but to rise. Okay, confidence isn't given, it's taken. And now you have the exact same system to do it. I put everything we just covered and plus a few more advanced technique inside a short no BS blueprint. It's called Speak Like a King, how to command any audience, anytime, anywhere. And if you're serious about becoming confident, go grab it for free. It's the first link in the description, or you can visit my website www.theyogeshpandey.com and you'll get it for free, no commitments. See you next time.